In our last video, we had completed the pay for and launch your survey step in our study. And at this point, we should be collecting data. So once we start collecting data, the next thing to do will be to monitor the data and see the results of the data. So then we will go to this page right here where we can see the data coming in and we can get reports. So let's go there right now for this study. Notice that when you go here for a study that hasn't been launched yet or no data are being collected, you're going to get zeros at the top here where we show you what your completion goal was, which was set up when you designed the study, how many surveys you've completed, which at this point is 0, and what your completion percentage is, which is just this divided by that. On this page, I'm going to first introduce you to the content that you'll get on the monitoring and results page. And then later, I need to go to a study where we're actually collecting data to show you what the output looks like. So for now, let me describe the three areas of this page. First of all, here we show you the types of output that you're going to get in all the reports, in full reports or filter reports, which we'll get to in just a second. The type of output includes associations of relationships in tables. These are Excel files. I'm going to hold off clicking for an example because when we start looking at data, you can see the example of that going forward. The second type of output are graphs of the same information that you're getting in the tables, but just in a nicer format, and you can see it visually. Again, I will show you the example when we move further into the monitoring and results phase of our demo. And then you'll also get a full data file, which means respondent level data for the variables in the study that you've designed. So those are the types of reports that are routinely produced in an IEPY study. And you can get them as a full report, which includes all of the respondents in a study. Here, it just describes that. And when we start collecting data, if you hit the process button, the report will be processed, and then you can download it and look at it. And then you'll find that we have ways to filter the reports by various demographic categories or other categories that reflect the question that you have in your survey. So that's an introduction to the monitoring and results page. We have beta up here. We're no longer in beta, so it's actually working, so I need to remove that. But now I'm going to move on in our next video to a study where we actually have data and show you the data that you will receive. So hang on for that.